With 7 days till Christmas, the town of Silver Pines, USA was deep in the holiday season. Christmas lights sparkled on every street, Christmas music played in stores, and the smell of gingerbread filled the cold winter air. But inside a small blue house at the end of Pine Street, 16-year-old Liam Carter felt the opposite of Christmas joy. His mom had lost her job just weeks before Christmas, and there would be no big gifts this year. The Christmas countdown on Liam's phone showed 7 days left, but each passing day felt heavier. One snowy evening, while clearing the front yard, Liam found an old mailbox buried under snow. Inside was a letter addressed simply to whoever still believes in Christmas magic. Curious, Liam opened it. The letter read, "Christmas miracles begin when someone chooses kindness over fear." Confused but inspired, Liam decided to act. With 7 days until Christmas, he started helping others, shoveling snow for elderly neighbors, volunteering at the local Christmas food drive, and donating his old jacket to the town shelter. He posted none of it online. No likes. No attention. Just kindness. Something strange began to happen. Neighbors started helping each other too. A local bakery offered free cookies. The town radio station played non-stop Christmas classics. The spirit of Christmas spread faster than the snow. On Christmas Eve, there was a knock at Liam's door. Outside stood a man in a red coat, not Santa, but close enough. He was from a local company that had seen Liam volunteering. "We're hiring," the man said. "And your mom starts Monday." Tears filled the room. Under the Christmas tree was another letter. "You believed. And belief creates miracles. SC Father Christmas." As church bells rang and snow fell gently, Liam looked at the 7-day Christmas countdown one last time. He smiled. This was the best Christmas ever.